Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kaseng Nationalist Congress Party, Meghalaya State Union, kala Dawa badai ban IT Shaka Central Bureau of Investigation nega CBI, ban Tohkit Halor ke Jingshah Pynïap, Jong Kyrtong jong ni kaseng, u Jonathan and Sangma ringkat kiwei pat kinong buat jong u. Kabalajan nin kasngi ke khat pratrek urampang, kat ba udang wan yalap election nagasnong sabogre bat na bogre. Working President jong ka NCP Vijay Raj, hak jingi kendo bat kilat patai kubor, henne kasngi ka khandai trek urampang, hak office trekam jong ni kaseng, hak ni kanong ba Shillong. Ulai thu ba kaseng kan sapha da kajing tho, Shau Commissioner and Secretary, bat kumjo Shau Chief Electoral Officer jong ka sarkar jala, Halor kani ka Jingshah. Vijay Raj ulai thu ru, ba haus nam arajar khat lai, u Jonathan and Sangma ulasha berngam teng men bau dang yeng ban yakon ni election kum Kyrtong Shimen. Bat Halor kani ulai thuru bana kalyang u Jonathan ula ujo da ka FIR. Halor kani Jingshah berngam handai kat hadu menta kani ka kam kadang sa teng. U Vijay Raj ulai thuru badang hakini ki khindiat sngi kiladan ki jingtho hakibana kibaong not to vote for him. But boru da ki dor sulai AK47. Kumta ka seng kala karpa di ki bor badai khmi yakatna election bakin ai ki jingeda ka bakarpang sabaro ki Kyrtong jong ka NCP kanang bakanlong ka jingsngan hakaya ke yeng jongki.
In this regard, we have written to the Chief Election Officer today and we have asked for a CBI investigation into this matter, into the murder. No, police has not yet confirmed who is behind this. Because I don't think they will be able to do it within such a short period of time. But they also lack proper investigation, because had they been very serious about it, then when the complaint that posters have been hung by miscreants that if anyone votes for Jonathan and Sangma will be killed, that was not taken seriously by the police, and they gave only 2 police personnel as a security guard to him, which is not sufficient. And it should have been more than that. Had a convoy been there, I don't think this day would have been seen by us. Looking at the past record of 2013, you have to come to a conclusion by looking at what is present before your eyes. And before our eyes, it is a fact that there has been a case registered in 2013, and someone has been named in it. Case is still pending, and this time also warning was given. The police did not take it up seriously. Why? It is the state government's duty to provide security to the people, to the candidates, which was not done. And so for this, for security aspect, I would really like to blame the Congress government for not providing adequate security. Warning, no name was given in the poster banner which was published. It was published overnight in the entire constituency of William Nagar, where AK-47 bullets and blood were displayed in the poster, and it was said that whoever votes for Jonathan Sangma of NCP will be shot. Not exactly shot dead, will be dealt with.